Come to paradise. Great opportunity to own this little castle by the beach with amazing ocean and pool views from everywhere. Ring your contractor and rebuild it to your own taste, or just move in to begin to enjoy Florida living at its best. Condo is original but very well kept. Location is the best and you can walk to over 22 restaurants and bars. The condo has completed the 40 years concrete restoration and went through many renovations of its clubhouse, pool, barbecue area, elevators, and lobby. You will enjoy strolling the Deerfield Beach Boardwalk and International Pier and having dinner in one of the many oceanfront restaurants. This is one of the best deal currently offered in the building and in the most desirable location of the happy and beautiful Deerfield Beach.